MAKEiT is a highly collaborative, hands-on experience that puts emerging creative technologies in the hands of faculty and support staff from a wide range of disciplines. Attendees were challenged to think about the implications of the effects of the metaverse on higher education, of the impact of augmented and virtual reality, and the power of sharing their stories using storytelling principles, connecting their stories and the design elements that bring those stories to life. They used interactive design methods to create workflows and products with emerging technology, coming up with ways to introduce these creative tools into higher education classrooms. 6 designed workshop sessions cultivated a collaborative environment using 3D scanning, 360 video creation, virtual and augmented reality, simple robotics, and emerging Adobe products, all to enrich higher education teaching and learning. Thanks for attending MAKEiT. Keep in touch with Media Commons and TLT to get these technologies involved in your classroom.